Hey guys, how you doing? Danny here. As you can see right behind me, this is what they call Subway Cave. Okay, this is a lava tube. Now, the way you can see how this has got a good large opening, the inlet. This is kind of what I'm looking for when I'm looking for a lava cave, but the inlet's going to be a hell of a lot bigger than this. Now, what I'm doing here is this is at the point where the lava traveled 16 miles to get to this point, okay? And as you can see, this open area here is a breach. And so, but this isn't the part I'm concerned about. I know where this came from. I know where it ends. This is the part right here. Now, right here, I'm on the other side of the breach. Okay, as you can see this hole, and the cameraman will give you a panoramic view of what I'm talking about. As you can see, I'm in an open area now. So, right here, this is what I was talking to you about in my previous video. Now this section here, now that, I don't think anybody knows exactly where this goes to, or how deep it actually goes, and how far it goes. But this is awfully deep. And you can't go in there. It'd be too dangerous. There's too much fallen rock that's on the floor. Way too good sized boulders too. Good sized rocks. It's usually an indication it's coming from the ceiling or the walls. Probably the ceiling. So my point is this. As you can see the shape, the expansion of the lava flow is just horrendous. Look at that. Just horrendous. Now, from what I could tell, this is going like this. And because even though I got the sunlight here versus this one, that's about as far as you could see down in there. My guess, this could go on for maybe a mile or so. Could go on for miles. Could go on for another couple of 100 feet. But the way it looks, this sucker's going. It's going right over here. Now you're pointing over here. Now right over here is Mount Lassen. So this is what I'm talking about, is connecting the tubes for travel. Like this one. This would connect a tube for travel. This is what I'm talking about. And so we're going to continue this. I'm going to map this area out, and right now we get done with this filming. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to see exactly how far this thing goes back. Nonetheless, it's heading north. Just like my suspicions were right. It's heading north. It's heading right to the back side of Shasta. I'm telling you, these tubes are going to start linking up. Once I get it mapped out, I could take it from there. So, anyway, this is, now you got a good idea of what I'm doing and what I'm looking for. So I'm going to let you go right now, and I'm going to get on the surface of this. I'm going to try to get an idea of what direction this thing's heading to. But apparently, it's heading north, and that's what I wanted. It's got to be heading north. That's where they'll start making the links. At this point in time, I got this about 55 miles to make the complete link. Okay? And remember I told you, so far on record, The longest lava flow is 50 miles. Are you getting where I'm coming from? And it's going to be a job, like I said. It's going to take a while, guys. It's going to take a lot of good research. This is the way it should have been done in the first place. And when it's said and done, I know you've heard stories of how Sasquatch uses the lava tubes as traveling tunnels. And that's usually you hear over at Mount Shasta. Okay? So, we're going to see if it becomes a possibility. And I think it's going to. These will start linking. They have to, because of the continuous lava flow that continues through the millenniums. Okay? Anyway, take one last look. We're good. You can cut her off.